so with the W220 Mercedes S Class, we're going to be replacing the charcoal filters, also known as the carbon filters. They reside under the dash and the passenger footwell, so underneath there. Don't know if you can see it, the light's not very good. Anyway, in order to get to that, we're going to push the seat back all the way, and we'll remove the floor mat just to give us good access. Standing out the way. Right, so let's have a look. All this carpeting down. Right, we'll put this plastic here. Okay, so the filters are located under here on the footwell. One is there under that white cover, and then another one is there under that plastic cover there. In order to get to that, we need to remove this plastic panel here. There's a couple of screws on it. This plastic panel. There's a screw is an 8mm bolt, and another one over there, and that should give us access to be able to remove the filters there and there. So I'm going to remove those first. Okay, so I've removed those bolts. Now that's giving us a bit of play, as you can see. So I think without having to remove the whole lot, I'm wondering if I can just remove the filter. So first one here, I undo the cover, that comes off. Okay, that's the cover off. Filter should be underneath, and there's the filter. There's one filter out. And the other filter is next to it. I'm going to take the other filter out in a minute. I'm going to do that one first. Okay, let's get a new filter. Okay, so here is our new carbon charcoal cabin filter. Looks different to that one. Actually, yeah, it's a different type, but it's called the W220. It's a Bosch one. It's an OEM one, so hopefully that should go in okay. That's the second one that comes off. If you notice, both of the filters are actually different in size, and shape, I should say. So the one that we did a moment ago is more square, whereas this one has got a more curved curve to it, a curved edge. So here's our new one. OEM one. I'm going to pop this one back in. One thing to remember when you're doing this, the little tabs that you have here, they should be at the bottom, so you know you're putting them in the right way. Now, there is no clamp on this side. There's a white clamp, the one I put on the other side. That clamp there is missing on this side, so I'm going to have to obviously get another one of those from somewhere, probably off a salvage car of some sort. So for the moment, I'm just going to just tuck it in as it was before. So I got a replacement, one of these from a salvage car. I'm going to pop this in because it was missing from my car. Pop that up. And these clips go into the plastic parts, clips over here. There we go. That's in place. Right, and then we'll put those bolts back in. Put the carpet back. Actually, there's a bit of polystyrene. Not quite sure why they've got this polystyrene here, but soundproofing. Anyway, put it back. That's how I found it. Okay, so that's the carbon filter, charcoal filter installed, and everything's back together again. Okay, so now we've got the charcoal filters on. Put that in. And obviously I don't notice anything, but I'm pretty sure they're doing their job, which is probably clearing out the horrible pollutants that we have when we drive around in our cities. Okay, thanks. Cheers guys. Bye.